Hi, this is Kirby from Guden. I'm going to give you some do's and don'ts of gas springs. Don't use the gas spring as a motion stop, as you see us doing here. The reason why is it reduces the life of the seals in the gas spring. Do consider temperature in your design, because the higher the temperature, the higher the pressure in the gas spring, and the stronger its motion is going to be. Don't forget to consider the torque forces at the bracket. A high-pressure gas spring puts a high twist on the bracket. Don't allow any side loads on the gas spring. Anything to rub on it, press on it from the side. Very important, it'll reduce the life of the gas spring. Do install your gas springs rod end down. This improves lubrication and improves the dampening effect at the top of its motion. Always test your gas springs in real-world configurations for safety and suitability. Keeping these do's and don'ts in mind will extend the life of your gas springs.